Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So you just got a new Model Y Juniper and you're looking for all-weather floor mats. Now 3WV Autolife has you covered. They have TPE, these are thermoplastic elastomers. These are not your standard rubber, they're something you have underneath your sneakers. They have no odor and they're safe for your health. Now these are the all-weather floor mats with carpets as well. So we're gonna check the OEM carpets from Tesla and the 3WV Autolife. So let's check them out because I think these are much better and they're good value for money. Probably one of the best solutions on the third-party market. So let's check them out without further ado. So these are the original Tesla Model Y Juniper carpets. We saw these in the Model 3 as well. Just a quick look. Now let's put the new ones. Hey guys, so I just after unboxing these, I let them for a day or two to breathe out on a room temperature so the material gets into right shape because it was folded inside the package. Now let's do a little close-up look on the product. Now as you can see, it has a little depth, but when you have the carpet inside here, there's actually a perfect fit for that one. So when you remove it, you can see a little depth here. It is bigger here because if you're standing with your feet on the back, you're not pushing here with your knees on the textile of the inside of the car, you're pushing on the TPE material. Now this really has a great carpet. It's more on the rigid side, but it's very deep and rich, as you can see here close up. So we have these fibers, and on the back of the mat we have also TPE back, so it's the same material. Now this is easy to clean out. You can see the back of the mat. Now we have a raised flag style design here, and these can be taken out very easily. Just pull out. So as you can see, you can take out the mat. Now we have also very great details here. Desire of 3WV Autolife. So high quality finish. You can see the clip on. So, and I'm really pleased with these. You can also see these metal. So these are not like textile, these are metal. And let's check out the front here. We have the front mat as well. We also have a 3WV Autolife. And we have this extra part beneath the seat. So if you're taking these out, if there's any water dripping down, it's gonna stop here so you can take it in time and toss it out. Now for the driver's side, you have this extra. This is nice and soft, so this is an extra padding and protection there. Now as you can see the back, you can also take these out, and you can see this one, it's a metal piece, so it looks really premium. And of course that pedal is fully covered, and that's for the front passenger side. Now I'm gonna put these in the car so we can check them out inside the car. Now inside the box you get this. So I believe this is some sort of objects you can build out of your cardboard box. So this is the box. It comes with this handle. You can reuse it if you want to store these when you're not using them. But inside you can see there is a cut up, so you can cut these out and you can make either a like a little horse ride or a little dinosaur for your kids. So you can reuse that. Now, they've sent me this one directly from China. So this is for Chinese market, but these are, of course, going to be in English if you order them in the States or in Europe. So no worries. This was just really a quick send from the 3W Auto Life to me for a review for the new Juniper. So like an early access review, but these will be shipping out quite fast because these came directly from the factory. These are, by the way, very popular in the UK, but you're gonna have them in stock by the time you see this video. So let's check out the new ones. Now here's the 3W Auto Life, and look at this. It looks more like the OEM instead of the OEM. I mean, these are nice and rich. You have a full covered pedal. They're 3D fit. They cover all the parts. Perfect fit. Now I know some of you might comment, instead of brown they could have put some gray materials like the top of the dash, but usually the dirt is brown, so it's better. It's going to be less seen on this one, but maybe an idea for the 3W to make these in gray as well. So this is the driver part. It has this extra padding here, and let's check out the back seat. Also the front here for the passenger side looks so much better. And check out the back. Also perfect flush fit. So the OEM, we're not covering all the way on the bottom, so you're fully covered. But I think you're gonna agree with me, these just look so much better, and the whole car looks better. So just the other side, you can see so much better looking. Let's check out the front passenger. Also so much better. I mean, Tesla should really partner up with 3W Auto Life to make some decent carpets, because look at these are nice and deep and posh looking. So it's easy to take these out. So you just pull them out and you can clean them out. So this is how they would look without the top. You can see that. So a huge thanks to local Tesla for giving me a test car, and for 3W Auto Life for sponsoring this video. Check them out. There's going to be a link in the video description if you want to buy yours, and hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.